Ramirez runs up into this one, left, right, and a squib kick, and we're underway from week 4. Fielded by TJ Davis. He's got a little bit of blocker. He's got a hole at the right side. TJ Davis tripped up, still on his feet. TJ Davis stumbling down inside the 5. Myler takes the snap, takes the handoff, and keeps it. Myler over the goal line. He's in. Touchdown, Green Bay. Line drive. It might have the line, but it does not have the distance. We fielded by Augustine right at the back of the wall. Augustine's got blockers, and he's got space. He'll take off. Untouched. Touchdown, Tulsa Oilers. And they stay on that side. Snap to Myler, drop back, 4-man rush. Over the middle pass, caught Patron into the end zone. Touchdown. Snap to Edwards, 4-man rush. Edwards, deep shot downfield for McClurge. Does he have it? He does. Touchdown, Tulsa. Receivers in forward motion, snap to Myler. 3-man rush, he takes off and runs. Myler loses the football, picks it back up, and he's in the end zone. Touchdown, Green Bay. Receivers in forward motion, snap to Edwards, 3-man rush. Edwards looking downfield, has a man caught. Cole Blackman up against the boards. Touchdown, Tulsa. Another empty look. 4-man rush. Myler spins away, evades. Still on his feet, looking downfield. He's got Ballard in the end zone. Plucks it over the top. Touchdown, Green Bay. The receivers in forward motion, takes a snap. Looks out, route pass caught. Augustine spinning away. Augustine into the end zone. Touchdown, Tulsa. Edwards takes a snap, looks, end zone, caught by Blackman, touchdown Tulsa. They take their first lead of the game. Snap to Myler, looking deep, TJ Davis into the end zone, touchdown Green Bay. The fade route from QB to QB. Hard line. Edwards fakes the pitch out to Rogers, end zone, caught. Augustine again with Edwards. Edwards over the top, it's caught one-handed by McClurge. And Lewis in forward motion, snap to Myler, fake pitch out to Clark. Myler evades pressure, sidearms, pass caught, Clark out of the backfield, touchdown Green Bay. At 5, Edwards fakes the pitch out and he'll walk in, being grabbed by the face mask, touchdown Tulsa. Myler hands off to Clark again, up the right side, steps it back, has the goal line, is he in? Touchdown Green Bay. Receivers in forward motion, snap to Edwards, fake pitch out, Edwards sidestepping again, breaks his way out of a tackle for the end zone again, is he in? He is, touchdown Tulsa. The receivers in forward motion, takes the snap, hands off to Clark up the middle, Clark sidesteps again. It's patient running by Chemo Clark, does he have the push? He does, touchdown Green Bay. Mevis looks to connect, does he have the line? He does! Andrew Mevis ties it! Edwards sends the receivers in forward motion, takes the snap, keeps it himself, cuts back to the right. Edwards over the goal line, he's in. Touchdown Tulsa with 43 seconds to go. Myler drops back, he's got a hole to run. Myler to the end zone, he's in. Edwards rolling around, he's hit, he's sacked! Allen Henry! 33 yards away. Snap down, kick blocked! It's loose! Picked up by Gervin Hall! Snap to Myler, 3-man rush. Myler, end zone, caught TJ Davis. Does he have the end zone? He's marked down at the 1. Receivers in forward motion, snap. Kept, Clark, touchdown Green Bay! Chemo Clark wins it for the Blizzard!